you want to go out of your country, ito yung pwede mong dalhin. So ito yung narrative na sabi ko nga, bihira nyo ito maririnig kasi yung mga ganitong may conflict, dito makikita yung advantage talaga ng Bitcoin. So probably one of the reasons kung bakit nakita natin na kahit na may conflict, hindi bumababa si Toybits, it's because nakikita ng tao na ito lang yung pwede mo talagang dalhin in times of conflict. If you want to go out of your country, ito yung pwede mong dalhin ng mabilisan. Kaya mo mag-transfer ng, let's say you're a billionaire na lang, for example na lang, you have $1 billion. Let's say yun yung asset mo, no? If your asset is $1 billion and it's spread to different real estate, different currencies, etc., no? Good luck kung madadala mo lahat yung $1 billion. Pero kung yung asset mo na $1 billion is into crypto, madadala mo yan. If you want to go to the US, you want to go to Dubai, you want to go to Australia, dala mo yun. Kaya mong bitbitin yun. Gusto mo mag-migrate na, dala mo yung asset na yun. Tapos lalabas mo lang kung saan exchange mo man siya gagamitin, i-report mo lang kung gusto mo ng regulated exchange. Yun yung advantage. Yun yung advantage po nito. Maybe, kaya nga, yun probably yung one of the reasons bakit hindi bumababa ito. Nakikita ng tao yung advantage ng Bitcoin.